going to show you how to enter your weekly accomplishment sheets into MaryKayInTouch.com. And the reason it's important to enter your weekly accomplishment sheets is so that you have a running total of your sales throughout the year. It is also where I pull recognition for year-end contests, prizes, awards, but it's mostly for your sake to keep track of what you're selling and the sales tax that you're collecting or not collecting, and it's just a great record-keeping tool. Now, one tip, it is called weekly accomplishment sheets, so just get in the habit of entering your sales once a week. You could do it on Money Monday, which is a great time to kind of do all of these things. So you log into InTouch.com, you click on Business Tools, you scroll down to Weekly Accomplishment Sheets, and then enter Weekly Accomplishment Sheets. Now, here is where you take your orders from your sales tickets, and you can add in, now let's say it's a party where there's lots of women, right? You could just enter the hostess. So let's say my hostess is Brianna, and let's say she did the party yesterday. So we will do 8/18, okay, was the party. I was there for 2 hours. There were 5 guests. 4 people ordered. I got 3 bookings. I sold 1 skincare set. Now, a skincare set, if you're ever wondering what each of these things means, if you just click on this little hyperlink, it will give you instructions on each thing. Like it puts a pop-up out. So I sold 1 skincare set. Let's say I sold $200, right? And I would change this drop down to a party or a skincare class. And then I need to figure out sales tax. So what did I collect for tax? Now, I didn't have any discounts at this party, so sales tax is pretty easy. But I collected $14.75 in tax. These 2 little tabs up here mean 2 different things, and you can click on the hyperlink. Hostess gifts is anything you give away that's section 2 items, such as samples, little mini gifts with purchase. The giveaways is if you give, section 1 product or product that you can sell away. So if you do the 75 for 35 hostess program, you would put the, what you gave away here. And if there's any sales tax that you didn't recover, you put it here. You click add. And I would like to show you too, up in this corner, you can totally change the date that you're entering your weekly accomplishment sheets. Okay, so if you did get behind for a week, you can go back and do that. You can also click this drop down and it will show you, like, from your customer orders. If they order online, it kind of automatically puts them in here, which is really cool. Then you're going to click next. Now, it's up to you if you want to fill out the rest of this. I would say that this very first page where you're entering your sales is the most important thing, because it's going to show you your year-to-date sales minus tax. It's going to show you, how much on each category that you've sold. And this is a great tool for us to kind of look and see where there's areas to improve. Again, these are just like future goals. You don't have to fill out this part if you don't want. If you have new prospective team members, again, they're going to be all kept in one place for you. And then it's going to show you your gross profit for the week, which is also very helpful. And then you go all the way to the end and you click submit my accomplishments, and then I will get an email saying that you have submitted them. It's a great thing to do every week, especially like this would be a great thing on Money Monday if you're keeping really good track of your business. So I hope that this video helps you.